Here we go, guys. Twinkie cereal taste test. Here we go.
Next time on Nigga Ball Z.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what is up? It's your boy, Jackknife 2000. Today, guys, I put a little poll on there. I put this cereal box up there, guys, on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and the results were good. You guys all wanted to see what this bad boy tastes like. So today, that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be tasting this bad boy, and hopefully it tastes a little bit better than the other cereal that I've tasted in the past, because this is actually Post. This is a name brand, and they do have a bit of an investment inside of their cereals slash products. So this right here, guys, was $2.98, I believe. Actually, it might have been $3.98. I'm sorry about that. I'll put the correct price down inside the description below, guys. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take this out. The box opened from the bottom, not from the top. So let's take it out, guys, and let's see what it looks like here. Oh man, they feel real soft. There's that for you. Oh my God, they smell delicious, guys. They smell delicious. Check that out, guys. All right. Alright, so I'm gonna open this bad boy up and do a first smell. Oh. God diggity dog. Hold up. Oh yes. This is gonna be some good shit. I can already tell you right now. Alright, so guys, I do have the traditional bowl here. This is the taste test bowl, the official taste test bowl, guys. We got the big spoon here with the plastic handle on it. Alright, of course we have the 2% milk, as you guys can see right there, 2%. Now, like I said, I'm sure that these would most likely taste a little bit better with you know, like full milk or something like that. However, I'm trying to be on a little bit of a diet, so that's how it is. Alright guys, there it is right there. Alright, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'll let you guys take a look at that. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Oh yeah. That is delicious looking. Look at that. As you guys can see, they have like little powder on it, but it's tracking my face right now, not this, but that's how it looks, guys. It's pretty freaking cool, guys. All right, so first thing, I'm gonna put one of those to the side right there. Just put that to the side so we can try one by itself. Let's put a couple to the side. All right, so let's go ahead and pour the old milk in this bad boy. Here we go. Oh yes, I'm not gonna lie, this shit looks fire. It looks absolutely delicious and absolutely fire. All right, here we go, guys. Taste test Hostess freaking Hostess Twinkie cereal, guys. Let's give this a shot. There it is right there for you with the milk in that bad boy. Let's stir it up. Oh man. I tried to eat something before this so I wouldn't just think it's delicious because I'm hungry or something like that. You never try to go shopping or eat anything when you're hungry, because then you just buy a whole bunch of bull crap and you end up not actually liking it. So here we go, guys. Twinkie cereal taste test. Here we go.
Next time on Nigga Ball Z.
Before I say anything, let me take one more bite. A little bit more chewy than I thought. Alright guys. So what does your boy think about this cereal? The first impressions of this cereal, I've got to say, is it has kind of a powdery donut taste to the Twinkie cereal itself. Now that was the white coating that you see on here. The first impressions of this was I got that it had kind of like a powdery donut taste. Am I displeased with the taste? No, it's not nasty at all. It's definitely not nasty. And it seems like, which is like with most cereals, if you leave it inside the milk too long, it does lose its taste. Let's see. But I mean, it still tastes very good, very delicious. Does it taste like a Twinkie? It does have a little remnant of a Twinkie in here. And honestly, the cereal is actually staying hard. Like it's pause on that, right? Yeah. Now, I can tell you right now that that's the difference between like Post cereals and like General Mills. General Mills cereal gets so soggy so fast that you barely even know what the freak is going on. But this is actually really, really delicious. If I had to give a rating based on what this is supposed to taste like, I would probably think, just without thinking, give it a 7.8, guys. A 7.8, because it does taste sort of authentic to the taste that it's supposed to represent. However, I feel like Post is a more expensive cereal compared to General Mills, and I feel like for it being a super name brand, I feel like it should have a little bit more stronger taste to it when it comes to the actual cereal itself. Now it's not bad, and it definitely can be like, okay, yeah, this is Twinkies, okay, cool, yeah. It's definitely has the remnant taste of Twinkies, which is fine, it's great. But like I said, yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to give it. I'm gonna have to go ahead and give it that rating there. I think that it's a very good cereal. I think that kids would like it. I think adults would like it. It'll take them back and make them think, man, I remember I had me a nice creamy / dry, Twinkie, from back in the day. So I definitely think you guys should go to the store and pick this up. I picked this up at Walmart, and like I said, I'll have the price down in the description below, but I believe it's either $2.98 or $3.98. But yeah, guys, it's really delicious, and I think that you guys should go ahead and give it a buy and try this bad boy out. Don't take my word for it, but definitely I try to give the most accurate reading. And guys, this cereal is still hard. Like, it's like the milk is not penetrating it, and it's keeping its flavor. Not like those Jolly Ranchers when I tried before. It's not like that at all. These are actually keeping their flavor, and they're keeping their consistency as well. I'm gonna try this bad boy by itself with no milk or anything and see how it tastes. Oh wow. Okay, hold on. Oh wow, okay. And it literally tastes like what's inside the bowl tastes like. Besides that, it tastes like what's inside the bowl but dry. So once again, it has been 9 minutes now. Maybe not when you see this video, it might be, edited down a little bit, but as of right now, it's pretty much 10 minutes of recording, and this cereal is still, yeah, it still has a consistency. Like, it's still crunchy as hell. So that's actually good. That's actually really good. That's the kind of cereal I like, because I tend to, wander off and do other things or whatever, and then come back and eat my cereal. So anyways, guys, this has been your boy Jack Knight 2000. If there's anything you guys want me to try, make sure you guys put it down in the description. Any type of challenge food videos or or any type of like weird foods that you want me to try for you guys, let me know and I will do it. Just hit me up on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or on the YouTube channel itself down in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys power punch that like button, and also if you guys would share, hit the notification bell, that'd be great as well. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Peace, love, and as always, my friends, 3 flowers grease. Until the next one, peace.